Hi baby, I'm Rachelocoolmua. I'm a pro makeup artist, and here we go. Upturned eyes, let's get it started and hot. Welcome to part 4 of my eye shape series, where I show you how to do eyeshadow, eyeliner, and lashes for your beautiful upturned eye. Now remember, upturned eyes is when your outer corner is higher up than your inner corner, so your eye is kind of at an angle such as this. Now y'all know, I love a good snatch, I love a good lift, so upturned eyes are so fun to do makeup on. It's all about pulling the eyes out, really accentuating the inner corner this way so we can accentuate the outer corner this way, and we get this beautiful elongated, upturned, lifted eye. Mwah, gorgeous! If you like this makeup look, this is an ARDEL inspired makeup look because I watched her special and I could not stop looking at her makeup. So I'm like, I have to do a tutorial. That tutorial is coming out Sunday, so please be on the lookout for that and turn on notifications so you get notified when this look comes out. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok, where I have you guys vote on looks. I love when you guys weigh in on what content you want to see, and that's really where I have more one-on-one interaction with my followers, is on there. Although I love replying to your comments on here. You guys are so sweet. Alright, without further ado, let's get into the upturned eye. Let's go. This is my beautiful friend and model today, Gracie. She has like almond upturned eyes, but the tutorial still stands. So we're going to start as always with a big fluffy brush into a shade the same color as your skin tone. And we're going to apply that all over the eyelid just to really set any primer or concealer. Get the eye ready for some eyeshadow. Even out your skin tone, it does it all. I'm taking an angled brush, my essential, into a contour shade. First though, with the handle of the brush into the nape of the nose, connecting to the outer corner, I am finding the angle at which to draw my first line. And then I'm going to take my brush into that shadow and draw my first line up. Now I am having Gracie look down so I could find the hollow of her eye. This is not the lid crease. This is the empty space between your brow bone and your actual eyeball. Drawing a line here and connecting it to our first line will open up and lift the eye. And you'll notice I'm only taking the line about halfway in, and I'm ending with the angle pointed up. This will lift the inner half of the eye to balance out with the already lifted outer half. And here we go. This is our blueprint for the contour part of the eyeshadow. Next, with a fluffy brush, I'm going to go back in with our first shade that we used, and I'm just going to be blending out that top line. I'm making sure I'm always blending up towards the temple so that all of our angles are cohesive, but I'm going to keep that first line a little bit more precise because that's going to map out our liner later. Next, with a flat, dense brush, I find this to be the most precise in that same brown shade. I am just lining the bottom lash line like normal, but when I get to the inner corner, I'm going to be extending that line down. With that extended line down, along with our outer line extended up, it is going to move with the natural angles of an upturned eye, accentuating and elongating it. Really pretty. Here I'm just defining that first line a little bit to make liner easier. Next, with a flat, fluffy brush into a highlighter shade, I'm just going to be packing that all over the lid, right up to that hollow line and that liner line. This is just going to accentuate the contours and give the eye some enhanced dimension. Then with a flat brush into a shimmer shade, I'm going to place that right above our extended inner corner line. This will help lift the inner corner to balance it out with the outer, and it's really going to make the eye pop. Then a thin line of shimmer on the first third of the upper lash line. Keeping this line thin instead of placing it all over the lid will really enhance that cat eye effect. Liner, here we go. Gel liner is easiest for me to work with. I'm going to be using a flat angled brush. Now we already mapped out this first line, so I'm just going to be following that. Boom, there you go. Then where your lid crease ends is where I'm going to be flipping my brush and drawing a line in, connecting to about the middle of Gracie's eye. I'm not taking the line all the way in so that I can really enhance the lifted look on the outer part of the eye. What, am I going to lose my voice right now? What the heck? I'm going to be cleaning it up with a Q-tip just to really snatch that outer part of the line, making sure the end of my liner is super sharp. Next, I'm taking that first flat brush with a brown shadow and just going over that line to kind of smoke it out, make it look more natural. I just really like that look, but you don't have to do that. Lashes. Now, I was going to use just a half lash on Gracie, but these lashes so beautifully extend out at the ends that I thought we can go ahead and do the full strip. To accentuate an upturned eye, you're going to want a lash that is extended at the outer corners. This is really going to go with the angles that we have been making thus far. These ended up looking really, really beautiful on her. So just paint that glue on, let it dry 30 seconds, let it get tacky, and then apply it to the eye. Look at how gorgeous she looks. It makes me want to cry, seriously. Like, I honestly, this has to be one of my favorite looks so far. Like, she just looks so stunning. I love the thin highlight on the upper lash line. Like, look at how pretty that is when it's just a super thin, precise line. It's really, really, really going to accentuate the eyes. All right, there we go, you guys. Okay, there we go. That's the tutorial. She looked so incredibly gorgeous. It was very, very simple, but so very accentuated, enhanced, elevated. Like I said, please make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you know when I put out the ARDEL makeup tutorial. And the rest of the eye shapes. There's 2 left. Oh, there's only 2 left. Well, don't worry, because I'm going to be doing a whole series on graphic liner for different eye shapes, smoky eye for different eye shapes, cut crease for different eye shapes. There's so much more than just a basic look. So the series is getting extended. There's sequels, prequels, and all that jazz, so stay tuned. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. I post different content on all 3 platforms, so you're really getting a 360 view of me from the front and the back. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you have such a good day. Okay, bye.